Welcome. If you've been getting constant notifications about trending places on Instagram and you're using Instagram on your PC, this quick guide will help you turn those off in just a few clicks. Instagram's web version has been updated, and some settings have moved around slightly. But don't worry, the process is still simple once you know where to look. First, go ahead and open Instagram in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your home feed, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines there. Click on those lines to open the main menu. From the menu that appears, find and click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings page where you can control different aspects of your Instagram experience. Next, look for the notification section and click on it. Inside this section, you'll see several notification categories. What you want to do here is click on Push Notifications. This is where Instagram lets you manage alerts that pop up for different activities. Now scroll through the list until you find the option labeled Trending Places. This is the setting responsible for those location-based suggestions and updates you might be getting. Once you find it, simply select Off. That's it. As soon as you turn this setting off, Instagram will stop sending you notifications about trending places. This small change can make a big difference, especially if you prefer a cleaner, less distracting experience while using Instagram on your computer. And that's all there is to it. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more tips like this to customize your Instagram exactly the way you want.